Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is about what's sold fast on eBay. I'm going to show you what sold fast on eBay, and also if you want to find more of these fast selling items yourself, I'll also point you in the right direction for that too. So let's launch straight into it. As the majority of subscribers to this channel are located in Australia, USA, UK and Canada, I'll show items from these countries. Let's start with bathroom items. The first item that is sold fast on eBay is the classic yellow rubber duck. These are sold 6,896 times by this one eBay seller. Next item is a baby bath sponge, and these are sold 2,751 times. Next item is a kids bath toy organizer, and these are sold 1,675 times, and 11 sold in the last 24 hours. The next item that's sold fast on eBay is some bathroom washcloths, and these are sold 1,367 times, and again by one eBay seller. Next, let's have a look at the clothing niche. These polo shirts are sold 53,973 times, and 19 sold in the last 24 hours, and again by the one eBay seller. Next item is some work trousers, and these are sold 51,754 times, and 7 sold in the last 24 hours. Next item is some women's leggings, and these are sold 49,971 times, and 19 sold in the last 24 hours. Next item is a woman's handbag, and these are sold 47,702 times, and 3 sold in the last 24 hours. Next item are men's jeans, and these are sold 44,277 times, and 2 sold in the last 24 hours. Next are some other polo shirts, and these are sold 43,680 times. If you want to quickly find more of these eBay fast selling items yourself, I have another free video which shows you step by step how to find these fast selling items on eBay in Australia, UK, USA and Canada. I'll put a link on the screen and below. That's all for this week. Hope this video helped you with what sold fast on eBay. Please scroll down and leave me a comment below, and while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using eBay and Amazon. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.